Hey Alex, how was your week?
It was pretty good, thanks for asking. I'm really looking forward to the weekend. What are you up to?
I'm not sure yet. I might just relax at home and catch up on some reading. What about you?
I'm thinking of going for a hike with some friends. We're going to try out this new trail that just opened up.
That sounds fun. I hope you have a good time.
Thanks, I'm sure I will. So what have you been up to lately? Anything interesting?
Not really. Just the usual work, school, and social stuff. I'm starting to get a little stressed about exams, though.
I can understand that. Exams can be really stressful, but you'll do great. I'm sure you're well prepared.
Thanks, Alex. I hope so.
So, what are you thinking about doing after you graduate?
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about maybe going to grad school, but I'm not sure what I want to study.
Well, you have plenty of time to figure that out. Just focus on finishing up your undergrad first.
Yeah, you're right. I'm just trying to plan ahead a little bit.
That's good. But don't stress yourself out about it. You'll figure it out.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate that.
No problem. So, what do you want to talk about now?
I don't know. What do you want to talk about?
How about we talk about the meaning of life?
Okay, sure, why not?
Well, I think the meaning of life is to find happiness. And I think happiness comes from helping others and making a difference in the world.
That's a nice sentiment. I think you're right.
So, what do you think is the meaning of life?
I'm not sure. I think it's different for everyone, but I think it's important to find something that gives your life meaning, something that makes you feel like you're making a difference.
I agree. I think it's important to find your purpose in life.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, I think we've had a pretty deep conversation for two people who just started talking about the meaning of life.
Yeah, I guess we have.
So, what do you want to talk about now?
I don't know. What do you want to talk about?
How about we talk about our favorite things?
Okay, sure. What's your favorite thing?
My favorite thing is spending time with the people I love.
That's a good one. My favorite thing is learning new things.
I like that too. I'm always up for learning something new.
So, what are you interested in learning about right now?
I'm interested in learning more about artificial intelligence. I think it's going to have a huge impact on the world in the future.
That's an interesting topic. I'm not sure I know much about it.
Well, I'd be happy to tell you what I know.
Okay, great. I'm all ears.